since in looking at this painting, I've done this upper part here. We've established that this is still wet. It's still kind of flowing together and doing its little bit of magic up there. But because this area is separated from this upper area, I could probably jump in and hit the water area underneath now. And still, so I could have the two areas drying. They're not touching over here. There's going to be some overlapping stuff, and so that's cool. And so let's go ahead and do that as well. Let's start by just starting here, and we're going to have the shoreline is going to be in here somewhere, so we're going to fill all that. And we're going to create a reflection of the sun onto the water below. And so I'm filling right here as far as that went down. I'm just taking it straight across and filling this in with a puddle of water like that. Okay, so now what we want to do, I'm going to clean off my brush a little bit. I notice I'm getting a little bit of a puddle right here, so I'm going to pull out some of this extra yellow first off, so that dries a little more evenly. Okay, so if I have the sun right here, that means down here on the water, I'm going to have the sun reflection in this area. And so I've just taken some yellow, and now I'm going to kind of pull it down directly underneath the sun up top. Kind of like that. Now let's go get our blue. And so we're going to have some blue reflected in this area. Okay, and then some blue over on this side as well. And this is also wet into wet, so I don't want any sharp edges. See, I had a sharp edge right there. I don't want those sharp edges. I do want a little bit of the white to show through as well. And I want the blue to blend into the yellow lightly right over here. So I'm bringing some of that light blue right up to our spots here. So there's our water section. And it is also wet into wet. So it's hit and then it's dissolved out. I'm getting another little bit of a puddle there, and so I'm going to take that out. Blot off my brush so I can just lift the extra little bit of yellow. I didn't want a little hard edge right there. There we go. So there we have the sun up top in the sky. We have the reflection of it down here. I didn't feel the need to put the red in here. You can if you want on that, but I didn't feel the need to do so on that one. And so there's our areas drying out. So we'll let that dry.